Hi, I'm Emily Yerty. I'm a first grade teacher, and this year I am a homeschool mom to 4 kiddos. I love using the Very Busy Spider in my classroom with my students and now at home with my own children. The Very Busy Spider is a story about a spider who lands on a farm and begins spinning her web. Each of the animals on the farm asks her to join in their activities, but she's just too busy. In the end, she finally gets a reward for all of her hard work. Year after year, my students love The Very Busy Spider. Like all Eric Carle books, they love the colorful and unique pictures, and they also love the pattern that occurs in the story. The Very Busy Spider is great to use with younger students if you're doing shared reading. They can easily pick up the pattern in the book and participate in reading, and even transition to independent reading of the book after a few exposures. This book is also great for sequencing, so students can put the events of the story in order to help build their comprehension skills. And you can also extend your activities with some writing. My students made speech bubbles to show what they would ask the Very Busy Spider if she came to our classroom. And she's hanging there with pipe cleaners and a pom-pom. You can also make spiders out of paper, cover them with glue, and then use dried coffee or tea on top of the glue, the same way you would use glitter in your classroom, but that coffee or tea gives the spider a rough texture like a real spider would have. And you can also make spider hats. Here's a sample of a spider hat we made. We made a list of things that we do in school, and then students could choose from the verbs for their hats. We did things such as I am busy working, I am busy learning, I am busy reading, I'm busy playing. Activities like making a spider hat or creating your own spider with coffee or tea are great activities to do in the classroom or at home. It doesn't take a lot of materials, so you could do it in class with your students, or students could do it at home with their families. I want my students to learn that hard work and determination pays off. The Very Busy Spider had a lot of distractions during the day. All of the animals wanted her to join in their activities, but she stayed focused, she was determined, and she got all of her work done. And then in the end, she caught that pesky fly. The Very Busy Spider is a book you have to have on your bookshelf. Year after year, regardless of what students you have, they are all going to love this story.